Hi you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a Mother's Day unboxing. So this is gonna be a two-part video. Part one, I'm gonna unbox the stuff I have for Mother's Day. Part two is gonna be a try on, because some of the stuff you can try it on. So after I post this one, be on the lookout for part two. I'm probably gonna post them maybe 6 hours in between each other, because I'm gonna record both of them now. All right, so we're just gonna get started here. If you are mothers, happy Mother's Day. Hopefully I don't upload this late, but yes, if you're mothers, happy Mother's Day. If you are not a mother, tell your mother happy Mother's Day. Also, comment below what you guys got for Mother's Day if you're a mom, and then if you're not a mom, comment below what you got your mom for Mother's Day, because I want to know. So every year when I'm asked what do I want for Mother's Day, I kind of don't really know an answer, because I don't really need anything. And then I love holidays, but I love holidays because I like families. I like the spending the time together, the everybody meeting up, dinner. I like that part. I don't really I like gifts, don't get me wrong, but I don't know, I never really know what I want for holidays, even though I love holidays. So this is how it comes. It was ordered from Dumo. That is, they got their little information inside their box. Let's put that down. This is cute because it looks like a lunch paper sack. I also have my invoice here. I did a poll on social media between this bag and another bag to see which bag I should get for Mother's Day. And this is the bag that won on my personal social media. So I posted it on both my fashion page as well as my personal page. And on my fashion page, the other bag got the most votes. And then on my personal page, this bag got the most votes. So I ordered this bag for Mother's Day. I ordered the other one also, but that's another video. So this bag is a Jacquemus. I hope I'm saying that correctly. And it's a tiny little bag. The crazy thing is I don't have any tiny bags. So I asked my social media and you guys said I should get this one as opposed to the other one I posted up there. I'm gonna let y'all get in close so y'all can kind of see. I hate when they be like, yeah, focus on the bag, baby. So I know this bag retails for $500 US. So, and then so you guys can see when you open it. In here has a little strap, but I think this is so cute. I cannot wait to go out. I want this pandemic over. It also comes with a strap, and this one has gold hardware, so I think it's cute. Adorable. Let's see, I don't think my phone can in here, and I got the smallest iPhone possible. You know, I can't fit in here, but a card holder. Okay, so I need a card holder, you guys. If y'all could comment below a cute card holder. I don't want one that only can hold 2 cards, because I have 4 and then my driver's license, so it's 5 cards. So yeah, I need one that's versatile, that can hold a couple of cards but still cute. So if y'all have any designer card holders that y'all can suggest me, please comment below so I can get it to go inside my cute little purse. Yep, y'all see it. I think it's adorable though. I'm glad I got it. Thank you, followers. for suggesting to get this one first. Maybe I'll do another video for the other bag when it comes in. All right, you guys, so that is the first thing, my little handbag that I got for Mother's Day. The next items that I got for Mother's Day are from Skims. So we're going to, I'm gonna just go through the actual items, and then in the next video, that's when I'm gonna try them on for you, just so you can see. So can't even open this stuff, like, let me in. Sis, let me in. Here we go. Hard. Alright, so this I got, this is cute. I got the plunge bralette in onyx. I think that's the color. I don't want to call it the wrong color. Oh no, called it the wrong color. In soot. So it's like a plunging, top. See the little Skims. Okay, that's not working. Anyway, it's a plunging bra. I got it in soot. Also, to go along with it, I got these. Okay, so in my try on video, I'm gonna show you my vision for this, because ironically, I feel like I can wear this like out somewhere. What size is this? Oh, extra small. Then I got the leggings. So the stuff I got from the cotton collection, just because I feel like cotton is breathable, they don't seem too hot, like extra thick and hot. This is cute. Extra small. Yeah, so these are the leggings in soot, and then the plunging bra. So I feel like I can like make an outfit out of this, and I'm gonna show y'all what I had in my head, my vision for it, in the next video. So I also got the plunging bra. Is this it? Yep. I also got the plunging bra in bone. Now with the bone, child, with the bone, it was a couple of things that I got. Because, you know, first I wanted to just chill out around the house, and then I just changed my mind. I wanted to see if maybe I can wear this somewhere too. So, this is the plunging bra in bone. It's just like the other one, but with this I got the boxers. I got the boxers because in my head I just thought I was gonna wear this somewhere. Like, I'm wearing these out, because I feel like the leggings and the plunging bra, how I want to wear it, for sure I can wear it out, but I don't know about these boxers. I got the boxers. They look so tiny because I'm so little. Oh my gosh. I got an extra small because I'm tiny, y'all. And then if it's tight, so what? It'll be cute, because there you go. Nah, but I'm just playing. But so I got the boxers, I got the plunging bra, and then with this one I kind of went crazy because I don't know, I'd be bored. I don't even be taking no pictures for social media, so it ain't even like I just got it for social media. I don't know, I just thought it would be cute, you guys. So then I have the briefs. Now, no shade, this is really cute. Just looking at them, like how they cut, this is gonna be bomb. Like, and it's just me like going to sleep, you know, looking cute or whatever. So yeah, that is what I got. I got like some underwear and then a bag. That was a quick little, you know, Mother's Day unboxing. Again, happy Mother's Day to all the mothers. Thank you so much, because we couldn't do it without y'all. If you love your mom, comment I love you, mom, in the comment below. If you want to see the try on video for my Skims, as well as other unboxing videos and other like fashion related videos, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. You can always hit the post notification bell so it can tell you when I post new videos. Send it to a friend. If you like this video, go ahead and like it. If you didn't like it, comment below why you didn't like it, what I can do to make it better or whatever. Have an amazing day, you guys. I hope you're spending it with the ones you love the most. Bye.